Hey, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center. I have Ellie here. Ellie is on her feet all day long, right? So she has low back pain. We did a test and we'll show you in a second, but her leg doesn't come up that high. It's really tight in there. And her upper back and neck is the main reason you came in here, right? And then the lower back, we're just checking. So we decided we're gonna check everything and adjust everything. So Ellie, go ahead and go face down for me, girl. And this is her first adjustment ever, right?
Yes.
So she's nervous, so I'm gonna be very gentle. I'm gonna explain everything to her. She's been watching us for a while and decided to come in. And so yeah, her feet are definitely off here. All right. All right, do me a favor, raise this leg for me. Good, how about this one, girl? Yeah, so she's definitely locked up in here. All right, Missy, so I'm gonna adjust the mid back first. So you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Deep breath for me. All the way out, girl. Good, blow it all out. Good, keep going. There it is, one more. Ooh. Perfect. Let's have this, that didn't hurt, right? You okay? Okay, good. This side up for me. I'm gonna make sure I check with you. So you're gonna face me this way, you're gonna lay on your side.
Okay.
So your hip is gone like this, we're gonna bring it back up, okay? Again, it should not hurt. We're gonna bend the top leg for you, girl. Good. Bring me that, give me that hand, and you're gonna go like this. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good, relax, relax, relax. There it is. Whew. That didn't hurt, right? So that was, it's like, whoa, face that way for me. That was a lot. So you're gonna feel, exactly, same thing this way. So this side was up, we wanna bring this side down.
Okay.
It's forward, beautiful. And your hands are gonna go like that. Deep breath for me. All the way out, girl. You're awesome. Relax, relax. Good. There it is. Whew. That sounds loud, right?
Yeah.
But it moved really, it didn't hurt, right?
No.
Okay, good. Let's go face up for me. Now the neck area. All right, you okay, girl?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see. All right, here we go. It's gonna be the same thing. It's gonna feel like, all right, relax as much as you can, girl. Beautiful. You okay?
Yeah.
She's like, ooh, dude. All right, one more time. Perfect. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Your ears are bright red. I know I say that all the time in the video, but there's a reason. That means the flow just went up. Everything moves so easily on it.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go face down. Let me check the lower back now. So you're gonna go on your stomach again. That wasn't bad, right?
Oh,
Not as much as you thought it would be.
No, not bad.
Yeah, all right, good, good. Most people are nervous when they come in here.
I was nervous.
I know you were. Beautiful. Now, let's see. Go ahead and raise this leg for me. As high as you can. That's already halfway better. Good. How about this one? Nice. It's actually releasing. Look at that. Perfect. Beautiful. You are done. How you feel?
Good.
It wasn't scary, right?
No.
All right. So if you're watching, it's not scary. It just looks, sometimes it looks scarier on TV than it is here.
Yeah, it's not.
You were on nerve. You are done. All right. We'll see you next time.